If you two are a Bollywood buff just like me, then you've watched the movie Kapoor & Sons as well. In that, an absolutely adorable Rishi Kapoor, who played a super cool granddad, had one of these. He loved it and used to call it an iPapad. So आज के वीडियो में ना क्लासिक चिंटू जी अंदाज में उनको याद करते हैं जरा. आपको मैं दिखाने वाला हूँ super cool tricks to use an iPapad. And if you're gifting one of these to your grandparents or not so tech savvy parents, well then save yourself the barrage of questions and just show them this video. Thank me later. Taking a screenshot. First karo that you've already gifted the iPad to your grandparents and they just discovered how to take screenshots. I'm sure they are gonna absolutely love it. Now here's a simple trick that you can teach them. Simply press and hold the side button and volume up button simultaneously. The screen will flash white and you'll hear a cool camera shutter sound, indicating that a screenshot has been taken and saved to your Photos app. Go ahead, try it for yourself and then show your parents and grandparents as well. Use the split screen feature. Now guys, let me tell you the feature that I like to use the most, the split screen feature. It helps me to meet my deadlines and chill all at the same time. Now you can scroll through Instagram or other social media apps and work on something productive all at once. Here's what you need to do for this feature. Open the first app you want to use in split view. Tap and hold the three dots on the top and drag the app to the right. Then click on the other app that you want to use. Tap and hold on the divider between the two apps and drag it to adjust the amount of space each app takes up. You can now use both apps side by side. To exit split view, drag the divider all the way to the edge of the screen. Create a home screen folder. Are you somebody who has an OCD just like me and wants to keep your home screen folder clean at all times? Well then, this feature is just for you. If you want to create a folder on your iPad 10th Gen's home screen, here's what you need to do. First, tap and hold on an app icon until all the icons start to jiggle. Then drag one app icon on top of another. Doing so will automatically create a new folder. You can then name the folder whatever you'd like. Simply tap on the folder and then tap on the X icon that appears in the top left corner. Type in a name for the folder and then tap on the Done button. Use the Assistive Touch feature. Well, if you two are lazy just like me to move your fingers to find Siri or home screen, then my friends, this Assistive Touch is just for you. When enabled, a small movable icon appears on the screen. This icon can be dragged to any location on the screen. When tapped, it performs the same functions as the home button. To enable Assistive Touch, go to Settings, then Accessibility, followed by Touch, and then Assistive Touch. Tap the toggle to turn on Assistive Touch. There are a number of ways that Assistive Touch can be customized. You can customize the appearance of the Assistive Touch icon as well as the actions that are performed when single tapped, double tapped, and long press. Some of the available actions are Home to return to your home screen, Control Center to open the Control Center feature, Notifications, well, to view them, and Device Lock to lock your device. Use the built-in dictionary. When at a loss for words, don't worry, Apple's got you covered. Did you know that your iPad has a built-in dictionary? The iPad comes with a built-in dictionary that is constantly being updated with new words and definitions. This is a great resource for looking up words that you come across while reading or browsing the web. To use it, just highlight a word and tap on the lookup option. Or you can use the 3D touch if supported by your device. So guys, have a lot of fun trying out these awesome built-in features that we just described in this video. And the next time an older relative, or anybody for that matter, comes asking you about doubts on an iPad, do the good deed and teach them these cool beginner tricks, or just send them the link of this video. Share your thoughts on the video down here guys and keep watching this space for more such content.